Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M11 and let me show you how to reset settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Now let's scroll until you'll find General Management, let's tap on it, and on the fourth position we've got the reset option, so let's tap. And as you can see at the very top of the list we've got reset settings option, so let's tap here, and now your device is telling you what it will reset. So it will reset all the settings on your device except security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps. So if you are ready, click on Reset Settings. If you've got a pattern or a pen, then enter to confirm. Let's click on Reset again. And now we have to wait, your device will be restarted, and after that all the settings will be reset successfully. And as you can see, now our device is active, it has been turned on, so it means that we successfully reset all the settings. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. This is how to reset all settings in your Samsung Galaxy M11. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.